to change color theme on Google Chrome browser. Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change the color theme on your Google Chrome browser. For that, you have to follow this step. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome browser. Then you have to open up your Google Chrome browser. So on the top left, there is a three dot icon which can customize and control the Google Chrome. You have to click on that. And after that, here you have to go for answers for the customized Chrome. Here you can't see that. So on the bottom you can see the customized Chrome option. You have to go for that. And here you can see that you can set your Google Chrome appearance to light, dark, and according to the device setting. So to change the color, here you can see the many color varieties option. You have to click on that. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily change the Google Chrome browser color by help of this process. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.